All right, today we're gonna be making some signs for a dog kennel with the names of the dogs. So we've got some used material here that we're gonna be ripping down into 3.5-inch rips, and then we'll be getting the router out and the letter jig, and we'll get this rolling. All right, so here's the rig. That's just filler. Well, that probably would have worked. Well, that sucks. So that's what we're going for. Router bit's all set up with the bushing. So my video stand just drove away, so the video is going to suck a little bit, but here we go. Somehow that lifted up a little bit or whatever, so the L got a little wide, so now I gotta cut all that junk out and start over. Well, after screwing a couple of them up, finally got one. So now we got the rest of them to do. Alright, well, after messing up Finland a few times, here we go. We got Skyport, Finland, Samson, Abby, Billy, and Toft, I believe. Yeah. Just using these little templates here, which I've broke a couple of them because that's not a plunge router, and you really need a plunge router to do this kind of stuff. Otherwise, you end up doing that. Gouging that. Then I did it again right here on the D in Finland. What happens is when you're setting that down, that bushing will push down that and be off. Where if you have a plunge router, you get that set in the jig, and then you push the router down, and but I don't have a plunge router right now, so I'm not doing that. But figured I'd show you something that I think is kind of cool with this stuff. This stuff is getting painted, but this obviously isn't, so. perfect, but it'll give you an idea. I always thought that kind of looks a little neat. Not too burnt, but just enough to show it off compared to the rest, but that's what we got. Alright, thanks for watching, folks. I'm not painting this. That's up to the owner of these, so they will get sent off to the owner. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.